Again, I just do not understand. Hey there, welcome back to another episode with the 1967 MG Midget. Today, we're going to be taking out the old seats in preparation for adding in the new ones. Come along for the journey. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get the front end of this guy jacked up so that we can go ahead and pull the seats with enough space underneath. Let's go. So now the front end's in the air. Let's go ahead and get underneath and figure out exactly what we've got going on down there. You know, it's interesting. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but despite how gunked up and messed up the bodywork and the paintwork is, the underside of this transmission and engine tell a very different story. These look to me like they've been pretty well taken care of over the years. Let me know down in the comments if you agree. Pretty good shape. Alrighty, so the seats are unbolted. Now let's get them out. Looks like a key to a Miata. It is a key to a Miata. Wonder what this thing's trying to tell us. Again, I just do not understand. Okay, so now the old seats are out. Let's take a look at what we've got. Alright, we have... Oh, interesting. Retrofitted British Leyland seatbelt. Had no idea any of this had anything to do with the later owners of the MG car company. Well, I suppose the bad news is that the driver's side floor looks to be in worse shape than the passenger side floor. Incidentally, this was also the first time I got a good look underneath the car. I've owned it for 5 years. And today was the first time I actually got a good look at it underneath, up on jack stands. Okay, so we'll get all this cleaned out and then see what we have to work with. Get the new seats cleaned up and go from there. Remove the seat belts while we're at it too. So, these seats. I don't know what they are. Vintage racing buckets? You tell me. Speaking of which, if you want them, please let me know. I'd happily give them to you. Again, I just do not understand.